Hey guys, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. Olight is going to be having a charity sale April the 10th. All proceeds are going to go to provide medical supplies to U.S. healthcare workers. We still probably have a few more weeks here before COVID-19 is going to peak. Luckily, it looks like it's not as bad as they were first predicting due to the quarantine and things like that. But looks like it's not going to be as bad, but there's still much needed medical supplies that are needed for our healthcare workers, our first responders, nurses, doctors, paramedics, EMTs are all still needing N95 masks, isolation gowns, things like that. So I'll put all the details to the sale down below. You can get these two lights at 30% off. This is a limited edition one here. I kept it in the box. I'm going to give this one away to a local first responder. I don't know, just pick somebody randomly and I'll hand it to them. So I have, this is the baton. I keep it as EDC a lot. It's a good little small flashlight, but I'm going to give this one away, so I kept it in the packaging. And then this one here is the IR2. I have one of these actually on my keychain that I use as well. So both these are brand new in the box, and I'm going to give these away to local first responders. We got in about 250, maybe 300 shields, face shields, and I donated those to local first responders as well. So I have not been able to get a N95 mask like everyone else in the country, but I did get some shields in. Some of them were like surgical, like face shields, and others were made by Blue Alpha Gear, and I donated those to my local first responders. So we're doing our part, and so I appreciate it. I'll put all the information for this sale down below. Thank you guys for the support. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training. I did forget to mention one other thing. During the sale, when you log into your Olight account, you can add one free pack of face shields, a pack of 15, into your cart. So that's pretty cool. And then you can also download a free book on COVID-19 talking about the prevention and treatment of it. So pretty cool feature. Olight is gracious enough, and they're going to be having a charity sale, and the proceeds. Olight is having a sale on. Hey guys, welcome to another video from